Hi everyone. So I already started priming my eye before I hit the record button. So yeah, this is going to be a getting ready with me video. I'm going to be going to my sister's and to buy a new alarm clock. So all I've applied on my lid is Smashbox lid primer and MAC soft ochre paint pot. And I'm just going to blend that out. Okay. Oh, this shirt is really itchy. Not cute. Okay. I'm actually only going to apply one color on my eyelid today, and that is going to be Naked Lunch. I need to clean my brushes. Oh my goodness. Okay. And just... this just gives them a nice shimmery effect. Because I kind of want to do something crazy with my lips. So obviously I don't want too much going on the eyes. I'm just going to take this color all the way up to the brow bone. So Kenny started his day job today, or day shift, I guess. He's worked nights for over 2 years, and so he finally got to go to days, which is so exciting because it gets lonely being by yourself all the time. So, oh, it's so nice. I'm able to film during the day and spend time with him at night, so it's going to be great. Okay, I'm going to use foundation. I think I would normally use my Makeup Forever, but today I'm just going to use my MAC. Face primer. I have been loving this. This is the Tarte Clean Slate Poreless. This stuff is great. I just apply it mainly where I do have pores, which is down my nose, across on my forehead, right through here is where I focus it. You can see how just it smooths everything out. And then I just kind of blend over the rest of my face. And I like this because it doesn't break my skin out. It's just really great. So, okay. We need a foundation brush. Let's see. All of my brushes are so dirty. Like, so disgustingly dirty, actually. I think today they're going to get a good cleaning. I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I am an NW13. I'm just using my e.l.f. flat top brush, and I kind of start stippling. And then start to blend. It looks very weird on camera right now. I don't know why. Okay, and the other side. Forehead. Okay. I'm going to continue to kind of buff that in as soon as I get the lid on this pump. Ah, there we go. Okay. Just keep all the lines nice and... Okay. concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I am in, obviously, Fair. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my brightener. This is the Instant Age Rewind, like the brightener and an illuminator. And I'm going to apply that right over the concealer under my eyes, my upper lip, and right above my eyebrows. Don't we look attractive? We do. And then just start to blend, like just pat it out. I always do under my eyes last. And just pat. Don't sweep, because you will like sweep it back off or sweep your foundation off, and obviously we worked hard to get it that way, so you don't want to take it right back off. That would kind of defeat the purpose. Okay, I'm gonna get the foundation on my lips though. And I'm gonna apply a lip balm so that my lips will be soft when we get ready to do. Oh, where did it go? There it is. The lipstick that I'm going to wear. This is the Rosebud Salve, and this is the Minted one. Maybe. Come on now. I can't get it open. There we go. Looks like this. It looks just like the regular one, except this one has like a slight bit of mint that's sort of tingly. It's got peppermint oil in it, so feels super nice on the lips though. And if you haven't tried, if you don't want one that has peppermint in it, the strawberry one by Rosebud is really nice. Okay, I'm going to do eyelashes, and recently I've been trying to change it up just a little bit. I'm not using my Clinique and my Tarte at the moment. So first I'm going to apply one coat of the Eyeko Skinny Mini. This is the long and tall. Oh, and aren't my nails adorable? If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen them. So follow me on Instagram. Okay, one coat of this to the top and bottom lashes. Okay, now the bottom ones. Okay, I'm going to clean up underneath my eye. Okay, one more coat of the same mascara to the top lashes. and let that dry. While that's drying, I'm obviously going to clean up again. And I'm going to do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I use the Wet n Wild's pencil in taupe. It needs sharpened, but oh, I don't want to take the time to sharpen it. This one always looks a little bit more rounded. I don't know why. Whatever. They're just eyebrows. Okay, I'm going to comb through those with a spoolie. Whoa. Did you see that mess just happen? Okay. For our next coat of mascara, it's going to be the Smashbox. Got that mascara on my hands. Gross. Okay. The Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. This is in Jet Black. Wand. I like mascara duos. I like to kind of pair my mascaras. I feel that one single mascara sometimes doesn't do as good as two separate. Okay, lashes are done. I'm going to apply an eyeliner to my upper lash line. Is it this one? If I get the... Yeah, nope. Where did you go, mascara or eyeliner? Mascara, yeah. Okay, it's the Kat Von D, what is this called? Autograph pencil. It's in black. I don't know if it has a specific name. Just looks like this. I'm just going to do my upper. Like that. I don't like to do my bottom lashes. It just never, or my bottom letter line, especially during the summer. It doesn't do me any good. It all basically comes off. Well, I know it's only spring, but okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do powder. Today I'm going to use my NARS Translucent Crystal Light Reflecting Powder. I really, really like this. I'm going to use it on my Sona Kashuk brush. It just looks like this. I really like this powder because, as you've seen, I applied quite a bit of it, but it doesn't make your face look cakey. It just makes your face look really soft. And I really like it, so yeah. because I'm one of those girls. I like a lot of powder. I do have oily skin. So, okay, blush. Today, we're going to use this one again. I've been loving this blush recently. This is the Lorac Baked Matte Blush. But this is totally not matte. I don't know why it says that. This is an exposed. Another Sony Kashuk brush. Just dip it in there a little bit because this stuff is extremely pigmented. And work it on the cheeks. I love it. I think it gives the perfect, it's not really peachy, but it's like, I don't know. I just love it. I think it looks good with my skin. So, I'm not going to apply a highlighter today. I just don't feel like it. So I'm going to spray my Urban Decay De-Slick Spray. Just a little bit of it. It's not like I'm going out on the town or anything. So, okay, so for lips today, let me take off this. Okay, I'm going to be using Makeup Forever's lipstick in number 50. So, I'm going to show you. It says 50. 50? Yeah, get ready for this. Bam! It's black. I wore this out on Friday, and I really liked it. So, let's give it another go. One complaint I have about this lipstick, though, is I wish it was shaped more like the MAC ones. Feels like there's a hair on my lip, but I don't know. Oh, I thought there was. It's really annoying. Okay, I'm just going to touch up. New Q-tip. So I definitely know this is not springy in the least. But I love it. I don't know. I'm trying to find a little lip gloss to put over it. I don't know. Let's try this one. That's red. I think it's red. I'm going to use my Plumping Lip Gloss by Hard Candy, and this is in Jellyfish. So, oh, this looks so pretty. You can definitely see all the blue and purple sparkles. So I think that's it. That's going to be my finished look. To apply some hand sanitizer. And I'm going to go ahead and go to town. What is going on? And I will see you all later. I hope you have a fantastic day. Yeah, bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. See ya.